Kamala Harris was born on October 20, 1964 in Oakland, California. Her mother, Shyamala Gopalan, was a Tamil Indian immigrant, and her father, Donald Jasper Harris, was a Jamaican American economist. Let's look at her education and career. Kamala earned a bachelor's degree in political science from Howard University in 1986. Juris Doctor J.D., University of California, Hastings College of the Law in 1990. Then she became District Attorney of San Francisco from 2004 to 2011. And then she was promoted to Attorney General in California from 2011 to 2017. Then she became U.S. Senator in California from 2017 to 2021. Kamala currently serves as Vice President of the United States. Let's look at her policies and positions. Number 1. Criminal justice reform. Supports ending cash bail, eliminating private prisons, and legalizing marijuana. Number 2. Healthcare. Advocates for Medicare for all citizens, with a role for private insurance. Number 3. Immigration. Favors pathway to citizenship for undocumented immigrants and strengthening border security. Number 4. Climate change. Supports Green New Deal principles and rejoining Paris Agreement. Number 5. Economy. Proposes tax cuts for middle-class families and increasing minimum wage. And number 6. Education. Supports debt-free college and increased funding for public schools. Let's look at her notable achievements. Number 1. First female vice president. Made history as the first woman, first Black American, and first South Asian American to hold the office. Number 2. Senate accomplishments. Passed legislation on criminal justice reform, immigration, and healthcare. Number 3. Prosecutorial record. Successfully prosecuted high-profile cases as district attorney and attorney general. Let's look at the challenges and controversies. Number 1. Progressive criticisms. Some progressives argue she didn't go far enough on certain policies. Number 2. Law enforcement ties. Her prosecutorial path has raised concerns among some activists. Number 3. 2024 presidential campaign. Faces intense scrutiny as the Democratic nominee. As the 2024 Democratic presidential nominee and current Vice President of the United States, Kamala proudly claims Jamaican heritage through her father, Donald Jasper Harris, born in Brownstown, St. Anne Parish, Jamaica. This Caribbean island nation has profoundly impacted Kamala's life and shaped her into the person she is today. Kamala's paternal great-grandfather, Joseph Alexander Harris, was a merchant and planter who owned a 250-acre pimento plantation in the hills adjoining Brownstown, St. Anne. Her ancestors were also descendants of Hamilton Brown, an Irish-born plantation owner who founded the local Anglican church in Brownstown. Growing up, Kamala was exposed to Jamaican culture through her father's stories and traditions. She fondly recalls her father's love for Jamaican music and food, instilling pride and connection to her heritage. Jamaican culture's values of resilience and determination has shaped Kamala's approach to politics and public service. Kamala's Jamaican roots inform her policy positions on economic empowerment, education, and social justice. Her father's work as an economist and professor at Stanford University influenced her views on economic development and inequality. As Senator and Vice President, Kamala champions policies promoting equality and opportunities for marginalized communities. Kamala's Jamaican heritage inspires people worldwide. Her achievement testifies to diversity's power and Caribbean descendants' contributions to American society. As she breaks barriers, Kamala remains proud of her Jamaican roots and the values shaping her into a leader. Kamala's story embodies Jamaican culture's values of strength and determination. Her ancestors' complex history influences her views on social justice and equality. Jamaican culture's impact on her life shapes her approach to politics and public service. In Brownstown, Jamaica, residents watch Kamala's campaign with pride and wariness, hoping her presidency benefits their community. As Kamala continues to make history, her Jamaican roots remain an integral part of her identity and legacy.